Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan on Tuesday turned 69 and was greeted by a number of supporters and fans who wished him on social media. Khan was born on October 5, 1952. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa conferred military awards to army personnel for their acts of gallantry during operations and meritorious services rendered for Pakistan. Prime Minister Imran Khan is yet to approve the decision on the extension of the National Accountability Bureau chairman in a key meeting with the cabinet members today. A special air security unit having 12 drones is said to be launched in the country's federal capital to provide a faultless security system to the citizens. The Joint Anti-Terrorist Exercise 2021 held at National Counter-Terrorism Center, PUBB. Another fake entry in the name of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has been made in the country's database for COVID-19 vaccination, and this time it is in Bahawalpur. National Accountability Bureau Deputy Chairman Hussain Asghar has resigned from his post. It emerged on Monday. Key social networking services gradually returned around 6 hours after a global blackout as outage blamed on configuration changes. The service of 3 apps owned by Facebook went offline on Monday that dispersed access for individuals and companies across the globe and left the California-based social media giant failing for a solution. The Pakistan T20 World Cup squad led by Babar Azam will depart for Dubai on October 15 as Men in Green hope to make a strong show after getting abandoned by 2 countries. Well, that's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.